In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy or duplicate slides in Google Slides. If you've ever found yourself needing to replicate slides while working on a presentation, this guide will be just what you need. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or simply organizing your information better, duplicating slides efficiently can save you a lot of time. Let's start by navigating to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Slides. If you're a regular user, it might even show up in your frequently visited sites. Once there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be granted access to the Google Slides platform. Signing in allows you to access all your saved presentations and any shared files seamlessly. Next, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can select an existing presentation or create a fresh one. For our purposes, you can click on the option to start a blank presentation or choose from any templates available that might suit your needs. Templates are great because they offer pre-designed layouts that can kickstart your presentation design, saving you the hassle of starting from scratch. Once inside your chosen presentation, you'll want to make sure you're on the slide you intend to copy. Click on the thumbnail of the slide in the left sidebar to select it. If you have multiple slides to duplicate, you can hold down the Shift key and click to select several slides at once. This is handy if you need to duplicate a whole section in your presentation. Now here comes the core of today's tutorial, the actual copying. With the slide or slides selected, press the keys Ctrl and C simultaneously on your keyboard. This combination will copy the selected slides to your clipboard. It's similar to copying text in a document and will hold the slides ready to be duplicated wherever you choose within the presentation. To complete the duplication process, navigate to where you want to paste the slides. If you're placing them elsewhere in the same presentation, simply click after the slide where you want them to appear, then press Ctrl and V together. Voila! Your slides have been successfully duplicated and will appear right there, maintaining the original formatting and content. Duplicating slides can streamline your workflow, letting you build presentations rapidly without repetitive work. Whether you are tailoring your content for different audiences or organizing themes, this simple action ensures you can focus more on the quality of your presentation rather than on recreating each slide from scratch. Thank you for watching, and now you can duplicate slides in Google Slides with confidence